more. This new guidance comes after the CDC reviewed its own guidance on this issue and concluded there is some value to covering your face even if you don't have any symptoms. But with masks in short supply, they're encouraging people to make cloth masks at home.
You don't seem to have symptoms and it still gets transferred. In light of these studies, the CDC is advising the use of non-medical cloth face covering as an additional voluntary public health measure. So it's voluntary, you don't have to do it. They suggest it for a period of time.
As we said earlier, today Governor Wolf recommended that all Pennsylvanians wear a mask in public in an effort to control the spread of the virus. And just moments ago, President Trump announced that the CDC is advising the use of non-medical masks as an additional voluntary public health measure.
So it's all over the news. They recommend that we wear masks, and I want to show you a really easy way to make your own mask that won't cost you a thing, even if it's just a regular facial covering or maybe in addition to a mask that you already got. So check this out. Basically all you need is an old t-shirt that you're not wearing anymore or don't fit you. I'm pretty sure everybody's got old t-shirts laying around. A pair of scissors, and you cut a sleeve off. Doesn't matter if you want a camouflage pattern or maybe just black or whatever you got laying around, whatever colors you like. So cut you the sleeve off and check it out how it works. So now that you cut your sleeve off of your t-shirt, you can choose whatever color or variety you want. It's a pretty simple thing. I like to take the seam and move it towards the back. Make sure the elastic part is on the top, and you simply slip it over your head just like so. If you're self-conscious about your hair, you can pull your hair out from under it and don't have to worry about getting strap marks or whatever, because there's nothing to worry about here. And for a simple cloth covering, there you go. That's all they're recommending. But let's assume that you feel that, you know, a regular mask or a medical mask or maybe an N95 would be better for you. You can also use this face covering in conjunction with, let's say, an N95 mask. The N95 mask, when you wear it in public, you look like this. This is how you're going to look. And if you're self-conscious about your hair and stuff, these straps are going to be around your head. Maybe you get headaches or something like that. You can simply remove the straps from your N95 or similar mask, place it over your face, and cover it just like so. So now you don't look like a guy walking around with a medical mask on your face. Now you look like a ninja. And what's better, ninja or dude with medical mask? I'll take the ninja. So. And another thing is they also have other type masks that people are wearing, like these simple coverings here. But they hook over your ears, and some people have large ears or maybe self-conscious about this, making your ears look even bigger. This mask also can be used in conjunction with the face covering, just like I showed you with the other mask. So, simple, easy DIY face covering type mask that the CDC is now recommending that people wear to protect yourself against COVID-19. So, thank you all for watching.